Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mazda CX-3 with a dead key. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral. Even with a completely dead key fob battery, there's a straightforward emergency start procedure. This method is designed to get you going quickly without needing to replace the battery immediately. It's a handy trick to know for unexpected situations, ensuring you're never stranded for long. To perform the emergency start, take your key fob and press it directly against the engine start/stop button. You'll want to make sure the fob is making good contact. This action allows the vehicle's immobilizer system to read the key's internal transponder chip, even if the battery is completely drained. Once the fob is in place, firmly press the start button as you normally would. The engine should then crank and start. After successfully starting your car, it's a good idea to replace the key fob battery as soon as possible. Most Mazda CX-3 key fobs use a CR2025 coin cell battery. To replace it, carefully open the key fob casing, usually by prying it apart with a small flathead screwdriver. Remove the old battery and insert the new one, making sure the positive side faces up. Snap the fob back together, and it should function normally. Once you've replaced the battery, test the key fob to ensure it locks, unlocks, and starts the car remotely. To prevent future dead key situations, consider keeping a spare CR2025 battery in your glove compartment. It's also wise to proactively replace your key fob batteries every 1 to 2 years, even if they seem to be working fine. This simple maintenance can save you from unexpected inconveniences down the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.